Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a sticky header in Webflow at 2026. So you will need us first to go with webflow.com site and then just make sure you're already logged in with your account, and then just locate your project on the dashboard and click it on the open it Webflow. So now we are inside the Webflow designer, and here all you need to do is to go and click on the plus icon or the add elements option that's located on the left side bar. So now you will need to add a section on the top or at the top of your page. So just click it and drag it to the top of the page, okay, here. So inside the section, we will need to add a navbar or a div block, okay, for our header content. And to do that, click here and look for the div block or the navbar. And we will find that once we scroll down to the advanced section. So here where you can find the navbar. So just click it and drag it right here. So now we should make the header sticky, and to do that you will need to go and click it and go to the style, the menu that's located on the right side of the page, and then just scroll to the position section and then just click here on the position and select sticky, and here on the Z index choose 0. Okay, so this makes the header stick to the top when you scroll. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.